Move right there.
Are you excited to go to the Everglades today, Joe?
I'm very excited. I want to do it my whole life.
That's a bit concerning, but you know. Yeah! This is some only in Florida stuff. Oh, it's a Ginu. No, man. Yeah! Oh yeah. Oh, that Placo and a Mayan.
Yeah, we caught like a 4-pound Placo a second ago. And
Can I get
caught an Oscar too.
Maddie, is that a Mayan cichlid?
Yeah, this is. You guys don't care if I just go ahead and get these guys back in, right?
Yeah, go ahead and throw it back in.
Okay.
This Placo's gonna be hard to get out.
It'll be fine.
Okay, so what is this one, Maddie?
What's in my hand is a Mayan cichlid, and then the big black thing is a Placo catfish.
That big black thing's crazy.
Giant cichlid. There goes one.
Yeah, he kind of jumped.
And then the second Placo.
I saw my first ever one when I was at my grandpa's houses. They're so cool, bro.
Feel him, bro.
Yeah, Maddie, he's really cool.
Oh yeah.
He's croaking?
He's really like a...
Well, they're armored.
Get him back in.
Yeah. Well, you're right. He's called an armor, whatever.
Yeah, more catfish.
Alright, guys. Maddie just fell in the water.
Oh, ah!
Came off.
Yeah. I don't know. It ate it right off these lily pads right here. Men.
There's a guy.
This is wild.
Okay, guys, why don't we can maybe go over there to the window.
I'm getting confused right now. How come all these photos are like... How come they all muscular in these photos, but all the swimmers I see being a lifeguard are all fat?
The iguana, and Ian caught it.
Bro is asleep back there, bro.
Okay,
We go through tunnel in the middle of Miami.
Real. The bird is tweaking.
Somebody to mark our location, please.
Bro is tweaking.
Maddie.
I don't. Bro, we at Muscle Beach, guys. Bro, look at that iguana.
Ian, you're gonna get whipped.
Look at that thing, bro. Not the. It's the stuff you see on YouTube Shorts. Somebody had too much of the za. Come on, Elliot.
I'm thinking about that.
Come on. Gotta come out, bud.
To get your butt up. Hold on, Eddie.
I'm just using my fly rod, by the way.
Stop being stupid and get out of the vehicle.
Hey there, buddy.
Hi, Maggie. Come on. Hello. I need a stretch.
Yeah, I do. You can come stretch out here.
Oh, where? What the?
Move right there.
Tell him.
We just ganged up on my boy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, fly's gonna be. Actually, fly might be good right there, man.
Right where?
Over there's a boat launch and there's a deep hole in it.
Ian, your mom is about to poop.
Maddie, there's a lot of fish. A lot of peacocks.
Oh yeah, look at them all.
I just had one that jumped my lure.
Those are all Mayans.
Maddie, those are peacocks.
No, that's a Mayan cichlid right there. And right there. Oh, got him.
Maddie got him. What is it?
It's a Mayan.
Nah, bro, it's a green sunfish.
Maddie's just caught a green sunfish.
First fish of the... I don't know, what is this? It's a spotted sunfish or whatever. But this water is so warm. Because she said she was grabbing the wipes to do her thing.
Miss Ellie!
Got him.
You got him? We doubled up.
I'm gonna try and just flip them on over here. My first Mayan.
Is it?
Yeah. There we go. Another cichlid. That's another Mayan cichlid. You got bit.
Where?
You see, right there, that's from him getting bitten by a bird.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, that little divot.
Yeah. Alright.
That's what they do. They're what?
Don't whip me.
I'm not going to.
Hey Joe, I'm gonna go check the boat off.
Oh yeah, hold up. We need to. There's a nice one. That is a big one. And he's super colorful.
Oh wow. Can you eat these?
Probably. Yeah, look at how bright he is. Yeah, Joe, take a second. There we go.
Maddie. Say the sun is about?
I love those things.
You Native Americans know what I'm talking about.
Ooh, this is a fishing spot.
Mexico. Oh, it is a fishing spot.
That's cool.
Now I know for ever
Yeah, it just leads you.
Everglades again.
Yeah, if we down this way, we know more fishing. That boy exploded.
Oh, that's a bullfrog, not a cane toad.
That is a toad.
Yeah, that is a toad.
Real.
Elliot, you
The power of vehicles.